Niche down in keyword research for Amazon print on demand. We'll start by opening a new incognito page in Chrome browser. If you reside outside the USA, make sure you click on the Choose Your Location tab to enter a USA zip code. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the whole list of products when you make a search. Just like the USA, if you like to browse Amazon Germany or France, you have to use the relevant postcode or zip code for each Amazon marketplace. Every day, the competition on Amazon increases, and the number of products listed keep popping up in huge numbers. This makes it harder to make a new listing show up on the first or second page of any search results. If you can't drive outside traffic for sales or use ads to promote your products, or you just simply rely on organic traffic, the business is getting harder. Now, let's go for a highly popular and very well-known hobby, which is fishing. If you search for a fishing t-shirt on Amazon.com, the Amazon search bar instantly will show alternative long-tail keywords. We'll go for fishing t-shirts for men. You'll notice that at least 10,000 products already ranked for that long-tail keyword, and it is almost impossible to list your product among the first two pages. We go back to the search bar and try to find alternative long-tail keyword options. We try fishing shirts for men funny. Still 10,000 results, no good for a new listing. At this moment, we have to find relevant keywords that we can use as modifier keywords in our title listing. We go on to Google, and since the next couple of months ahead of us is winter, it is better to look for a fish that can be caught during wintertime. Here you see lots of different fishes. You can use any of the following, but I will go for the walleye. Now let's go back to Amazon and use the walleye in the listing. Walleye fishing t-shirts for men. We narrowed down the search results to 4,000. It's better than 10,000 results, but it's still no good. We have to narrow down the search results. We go back to Google again to find some more relevant keywords that we can use in our listing. Let's take a look at the images for the same search results. And what we see here is a lot of images related to ice fishing. And I also see a lot of pictures of frozen lakes. We can use ice fishing and lake both as modifiers in our listing to narrow the search results. Now let's go back to Amazon and make a new search for walleye ice fishing lake t-shirt. Here we go, we are down to 141 results. This is not bad, but the most important thing now is to look for the search results in the BSR data to understand if there is a demand for that search result and what the Amazon algorithm offers us for that specific search. We see that a lot of merch t-shirts show up with lots of comments and sales history, and a couple of more FBM products. We gotta find more relevant keywords, and if possible, especially long-tail keywords to use in our title and bullet points. Once you're done with that, you have to come up with a good design to compete with other competitors. Never copy others' designs. It is not that hard to create an original artwork of your own. There are tons of apps and add-ons out there to help you with creating artwork. Always make sure to check for the trademarks and copyrights. For the phrases and sayings that you're going to use in your titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Final words. Always make keyword research first and check if there's a demand for that niche. Then, create your artwork. That would definitely speed up your efforts to turn into sales. If the demand is too high for your niche, try listing up your product at a lower price. Once it starts getting sales, you can increase your price and your profit margin later in time.